Hello. It's tire time on the Cicada. It's got 61,835 miles on it. Michelin, what is it? Michelin Primacy Tour AS 235 55 20. And this right here, yeah, let's see, it's going. I was gonna try to go a little bit longer with them, but they're getting right down to the wear bars. That one's got a rock. And but I was gonna order some Cooper Discover SRXs, but they're like impossible to get at my tire place. So I ordered Cooper Discover, or Cooper, I think they're Cooper Discover Endurance Plus. So hopefully they'll be in today and I'll go and get them put on. That's good. Little spots too. Oh, was it in focus? No. But that's the plan for today. And that one's still got life left, see? But anyway, so that's the goal.